Hello everybody, and thank you for coming back to yet another YouTube video. In today's video, I am going to go over what I look for before investing into a company. I've learned most of these methods from successful investors, so I strongly suggest that you guys at least listen to these ideas and consider implementing them if you have not already. The first thing I analyze before investing in a company is its balance sheet. A balance sheet is a statement of assets, liabilities, and cash of a business. It is important that a company has a good-looking balance sheet as it will give you an idea of the business's financial situation and future. I don't like to invest in businesses with a lot of debt, so I make sure that a company's cash and cash equivalents, short-term investments, and long-term investments put together are at least 2 times greater than a business's long-term and short-term debt added together. The next thing I look at before investing into a business is its income statement. This will give you an idea of how much revenue and profits a business is bringing in each year. Income statements are important because they will give you an idea of how profitable or unprofitable a company is. I always look for companies that are growing profits and revenues year over year. I will only buy stock in a company with shrinking revenue and profits if the business is extremely undervalued and I believe the company will turn around anytime soon. After checking out a business's balance sheet and income statement, I look at a company's PE or price to earnings ratio. The PE ratio compares the price of a stock and how much the company has earned in the past year. PE ratios vary by industry sector, so I always compare the stock I want to buy's PE with other stocks in its sector. So for example, if I wanted to buy shares in Apple, I would compare Apple's PE with companies like Facebook, Google, and Amazon. The last and most important thing I look at when analyzing a business is its long-term growth. I try to imagine where the company I want to invest in will be in the next 2 to 4 years. I want to see if I agree with the company's CEO and his or her vision for the business's future. Make sure that you invest in businesses that you can see growing in the future, and also make sure you believe in the company's CEO and his vision for the future. All in all, finding winning stocks can be difficult, but if you take the time to analyze numerous different businesses, you will find a winner. It is important that you really look into a company before investing into it to maximize your chances of making money. If you guys are interested, I have my 3 favorite books and movies on investing linked below for you guys to check out. I strongly suggest you guys check these books out as they will help educate you as you advance in your trading career. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you made it to the end, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like and be one of the first to subscribe to my YouTube channel.